Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Whirlpool refrigerator lights out in 2026. So light out usually means that there is a problem with the bulb or door switch or electrical supply. So we will first of all try to diagnose the problem and then we will see how we can fix it. So before focusing only on the lights, you need to confirm the refrigerator itself is receiving the power. You need to check whether cooling is active and the display panel works and the fans are also running. If the refrigerator has no power at all, you can inspect the outlet, breaker or power cord. If after inspecting this particular thing, the cooling works normally, it means that the issue is likely isolated to the lighting system. Now, many Whirlpool refrigerators uses either bulbs or LED assemblies. So you need to simply remove the light cover and inspect for burned bulb filament or loose bulb connection or failed LED board. If you are able to find any of these, you just have to install a compatible replacement. If light returns, it means that a failed light source was the problem. Now the door switch control when interior lights active. So you just have to simply press the switch manually several times. If the light flickers or if it remains off, the switch may be stuck or defective. So in this case, you need to clean around the switch area and then test it again. A faulty switch is also one of the most common causes of lighting failures. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the lightings are working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.